Hi guys, me Ice Age Girl, and today I am going to be showing you my town part 8. Yeah, the dog's talking. That's me. Yeah. Why am I not? I don't want to look at the camera. Yeah. Was it started? Here's Miss Bunny's bed. I don't know. Well, I didn't know who's gonna live in here, so yeah. Here's her little lamp. It's so cute, and Brad's favorite color. Here's like the oven, flowers. I guess she likes flowers and pots. Then here's the craft and chest, and there's her table. Let's go see her backyard. She's only one sheep. Seriously? Okay. Do you need to be shaved? Shaved. I'm gonna go look in the chat. So yeah, she let me stay at her house, so I got to make it camp. Cause I'm like a traveler girl. There's nothing in there, seriously. I keep the door open for. What is going on? Leggy. Flowers. Let's go over here. Make sure the sheep. No escape bait. You're not going anywhere. And then here's a beautiful waterfall. So this is when you looks like when you go in. And also, you're gonna see my white and bright cat. So, yeah. She's right out there. I can see her. Here's what it looks like on the top. It's rounded. What? Oh. This is my way. Stop it! And there's a fire there just for fun. This is where I'm fishing. And the Grand Garden, the beautiful cat. My obvious cat that had like a dress on her. There's a flower. She's on like a dancing floor. There's lights. So like when it's dark, it might look really cool. Here's her face. I know it didn't turn out very good because it just didn't turn out very well. Hey zombie, what are you doing there at the ground? Did you die? Look. Seriously. So you can like do that, see her better. Ta-da! There's a little clown and